Place baking soda on your neck. You'll be amazed by the effect. Many people are unaware of how wonderfully baking soda works. Baking soda can not only be used for baking or cleaning, but it is also an exceptional cosmetic product. Take a bowl and pour a tablespoon of baking soda into it. Baking soda is an excellent antibacterial, brightening, and pH-stabilizing agent for the skin. Pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into the baking soda. Coconut oil is commonly used for frying in many households. It has remarkable properties for hair care. But lately, it is increasingly being used for whole body care. Mix the baking soda with the coconut oil. Take a lime and squeeze out its juice. Lime juice tones the skin. It soothes skin irritations and inflammations. Mix everything thoroughly. Apply the prepared mixture to the skin of your neck. Spread it on the nape. Apply a small amount and leave it on for several minutes. You can also apply such a mixture to elbows, knees, skin under the arms, hands, and face. Do this once a week, and your skin will be healthier. This is an irreplaceable homemade mask for fighting acne. But not only that, blemishes and redness will disappear from the skin. You'll get rid of pimples, spots, and irritations. The skin will brighten and achieve a uniform color. For just a few pennies, you have a universal cosmetic product that you can use on your entire body's skin.